Hey guys, in this lesson, let me add something for assembly to help you assemble robotic arm more quickly. In the previous lesson, we know that all the servo horns have installed except the ID2 servo. You need to specially pay attention to the direction of main and assistant servo horn when installing brackets. Please strictly follow the assembly tutorial and do not install it reversely. All the main servo horns need to be faced the same side, so as the assistant servo horn. How to distinguish the main and assistant servo horn? Firstly, you can check the position of the ID number. This side is the assistant servo. Secondly, the servo ports and connection wires. Third, assistant servo horn uses this kind of screws. Next, let's take a look at the brackets of ID2, ID3, ID4, and ID6 servos. Before installing the servo, you need to remove the screws on servo. After pointing the servo at the holes of bracket, tighten the screws. Then look at the servo connection wires. ID1 servo has come with wire, and you just need to directly connect it to the ID2 servo. Only one of ports can be connected, and the servo wire is 10 cm. The servo wire between ID3 and ID4 servos is 50 cm. The servo wire between ID4 and ID5 servo is 20 cm. The servo wire between ID5 and ID6 servo is 50 cm. When wiring, do not pull the cable too tightly to avoid getting caught in the servo horn. At last, there are some notes for servo. Let's look at ID1 servo on gripper. Before installing the gripper, this screw cannot be over-tightened, while this screw needs to be tightened. Why is this? Because both screws are tightened, there's no space to install the gripper. After the gripper is installed, tighten the screws. Joints are unavoidable during transportation, therefore the screws on the gripper may be loosened. You can check it first and then fix them with a wrench. Then look at ID2 servo. The limit servo horn in the side of the main servo horn needs to be installed by yourself. Please note that the wrist part of limit servo horn must be in the line between these two screws towards inside. ID3 and ID4 servos just need to be installed according to the assembly tutorial, and the direction of main and assistant servo horns must be acknowledged during installation. ID5 servo needs to pay attention to the different fixing holes of the 4 screws next to the main and assistant servo horns. The fixing holes of screws on main servo horn are the same as other servos. The 4 servos on assistant servo horn are fixed to other 4 holes. ID6 servo needs to pay attention to the installation direction of the limit ring. Firstly, the wrist part of the limit ring should be in the same direction with the base. The limit ring should be placed and installed like this. The wrist part of the limit octagonal ring and the limit ring must be in the same line. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.